Hello friends, I'm Anna. Welcome to Anna's Fun Space. Today we're going to make an Independence Day card. 15th August is India's Independence Day. India got independence on 15th August 1947. Since then, August 15th is celebrated as India's Independence Day. So come on, let's make a tri-colored pop-up card. To make this 15th August Independence Day card, we need a paintbrush. I have a flat brush. And lead pencil, or you can use a normal pencil. A small ruler, a scissor, 2 white sheet of papers, watercolors, a palette, some duct tape, and finally a little bit of water. First of all, you need to fold these papers into half. So join the corners, corner to corner, corner to corner. And do the same thing with the other one. Corner to corner, corner to corner. And here we have 2 white sheet of papers, the folded version. Now let's draw some stairs. Okay, now the next stair. And now the final stair. Now let's cut it like this. And now the other side. Here. Now let's fold it. This time it doesn't matter about the corner to corner because you're doing it inside the paper. Now let's open this fold. Open the card. Open this fold from the inside and we have a stair over here. It looks 3D now, right? Now let's do the next stair. To make it easy, you can just do the same thing as before. Cut this part of the stairs. Fold the stair. Take the stair, unfold the stair now. Open the card. Now take the card from the inside and push the fold in the inside. And here goes the second stair. The same thing for the third one. And here goes the third one. The last and final one. And now let's draw a flag. Right here. Don't draw it anywhere else. Okay. Now let's do a little straight curve here. A little straight curve here. A little straight curve here. One more time, a little straight curve here. Let's do a little circle plus multiply. That's all. Now let's do a line. And we're done with the flag. I'm using these colors to color the flag. You can even use watercolors. These are markers, what I'm using. Now let's do the second card. We're gonna need some watercolors and a little bit of duct tape on the second card. Now let's get some paint in our palette. Just to not splash around and make this wet, let's just put this calmly. And now let's use a little bit orange paint. Put it over here in the top palette. Now let's wash our brush so we do not mix the orange color and the green color. Okay, now it's time to get a little bit of the green color. A little bit more, but not too much. Remember, to make it easy, you can remember this as a Goldilocks. Not too much paint or not too less paint. It's going to be the right level of water. Okay, we're done. So now let's wash our paint. Actually, let's wash our brush. And now it's time for the blue. We don't need much blue. Take a little bit of more paint. Remember, not too much or not too more. So now we're done. Now let's wash our brush and start painting. Now let's take the orange and paint it on the top. I love painting so much. It's so fun playing in the paint. I took a little bit more paint. So wash your brush and let this painting dry. It's fun. You can pretend that you're the big bad wolf blowing the little pig's house down. Now let's take off the duct tape. It's my favorite part. I took off a duct tape. And now let's take off another duct tape. When you take off the last duct tape, be very careful. Okay, we're done. So you can put these duct tapes in the garbage. Now let's cover the colored part. Now this is the fun part. Now let's take your paintbrush and splash all along. I have some blue paint on my brush, and now let's splash it. See? And now you can remove these papers. And look, doesn't this look so beautiful? I hope yours looks beautiful too. It will. Now let's write Happy Independence Day for it. So, remember the order. And now we're done. Now all we have to do is glue this card inside this card, which is very simple. But you gotta be careful. Remember, corner to corner, corner to corner. So let's start with one side. Look, Happy Independence Day. And doesn't it look nice? Friends, if you enjoyed my video, then please like it and share it with your friends. And even don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also hit the bell button. I will be back soon with more fun videos and more fun ideas. Till then, keep watching. Bye-bye. Happy Independence Day. So now let's read our card and look at it. Happy Independence Day. So now look, Happy Independence Day. And look at the India's flag. Look. Pretend that you're a person stepping over here, like this, and you're holding the flag in your hand. Vande